Welcome to Capital Investments, your go-to channel for business insights and trends. We're here to shed light on the myriad investment opportunities that the world of business offers and to keep you updated on the latest trends shaping the global business landscape. Our mission is to provide you with valuable, actionable insights that can help you make informed decisions in your business ventures. So buckle up. As we venture into the fascinating realm of business today, we dive deep into the future of virtual augmented reality. In business, virtual augmented reality or VR may sound like a sci-fi concept, but it's very much a part of our present and will play a significant role in our future. Let's unpack this fascinating technology. At its core, virtual augmented reality is the seamless blending of the real and the virtual. It's where your physical world is enhanced by computer-generated objects, sounds, and sensations. Imagine looking at your living room through a pair of VR glasses and seeing a dinosaur roaming around or a virtual assistant helping you cook your favorite dish. That's VR in action. The concept of VR isn't new. In fact, it dates back to the mid-20th century when cinematographer Morton Heimlich envisioned a theater experience that would stimulate all the senses. Immersing the viewer in the film, his vision laid the groundwork for what we now know as VR. But how does it work? Well, it's all about tricking our senses. VR devices like smart glasses or headsets use advanced sensors, cameras, and software to map our physical environment. They then overlay digital content onto this real-world map, creating the illusion of virtual objects existing in our reality. Today, VR has found its way into various industries. In healthcare, it's used for virtual surgeries and medical training. In education, it's turning classrooms into interactive learning environments. In gaming, it's taking the gaming experience to a whole new level. And in retail, it's allowing customers to virtually try on clothes or see how furniture looks in their homes before buying. But the most exciting thing about VR is that we're only scratching the surface of its potential. With advancements in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and 5G technology, the possibilities for VR are expanding at an exponential rate. As we can see, VR has already begun to revolutionize our world. But what does this mean for businesses? Virtual augmented reality is not just about gaming and entertainment. It's a powerful tool that businesses are beginning to harness, from virtual training programs to remote collaboration and product visualization. Virtual augmented reality, or VR, is revolutionizing the way businesses operate. Let's delve into some of these applications. Imagine you're a new employee at a large corporation. Instead of spending days or even weeks going through dry text-based training materials, you're handed a VR headset. Suddenly you're immersed in a virtual environment that mimics your future workspace. You're interacting with virtual colleagues, solving problems, and learning the ropes in a dynamic, engaging way. This is not a distant dream but a reality for many businesses today that are using VR for immersive training experiences. But VR's potential doesn't stop at training. It's also transforming the way teams collaborate, especially in our increasingly remote world. With VR, you're no longer confined to video calls or chat rooms. Instead, you can meet your colleagues in a virtual conference room, brainstorm on a virtual whiteboard, or even take a virtual tour of a new facility. It's as close to being there in person as you can get without leaving your home. And what about product visualization? Imagine you're a car manufacturer. With VR, you can create a detailed three-dimensional model of a new car design. You can walk around it, examine it from every angle, even get inside and see what the driver would see. And the best part, all of this can be done before a single physical prototype is built, potentially saving businesses millions in development costs. And of course, there are countless other applications from virtual property tours in real estate to virtual surgery training in healthcare. Each one is a testament to the transformative power of VR. These are just a few examples of how VR is utilized in business today. But what about the future? The future of virtual augmented reality in business is promising and exciting with limitless possibilities. Imagine being in a world where you can interact with data as if it were a physical object or where customers can immerse themselves in a virtual environment before making a purchase. This is the future that VR is creating for businesses. One of the most promising applications of VR is in the realm of data visualization. In the future, businesses could use VR to transform complex data sets into interactive 3D models, allowing for a deeper understanding of the data. This advanced data visualization can help businesses make more informed decisions and identify trends and patterns that might not be apparent in traditional 2D charts and graphs. But the potential of VR extends beyond just data visualization. It also has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses interact with their customers. Imagine a retail store where customers can try on clothes virtually before making a purchase, or a real estate agency where clients can take a virtual tour of a house from the comfort of their own homes. This immersive customer experience is another exciting possibility that VR could bring to businesses. VR can also enhance remote working capabilities. With the rise of remote work due to recent global events, businesses are looking for ways to make remote work more efficient, and engaging VR can bridge the gap between physical and digital workspaces, allowing employees to collaborate in a virtual environment as if they were in the same room. This can lead to increased productivity and improved communication among remote teams. However, like any emerging technology, VR comes with its own set of challenges. These include issues such as the cost of VR technology, the need for robust infrastructure to support VR applications, and the need for businesses to adapt their operations to fully leverage the potential of VR. But these challenges are not insurmountable. With the right mindset and resources, businesses can overcome these obstacles and harness the power of VR. For instance, businesses can start small, implementing VR in specific areas of their operations before scaling up. They can also invest in training and development to equip their employees with the necessary skills to use VR effectively. Furthermore, as technology continues to evolve and become more affordable, the cost of implementing VR is likely to decrease over time. In conclusion, the future of VR in business is not just promising, it's transformative. It's a future where data is not just something to be looked at but something to be interacted with. It's a future where customers are not just consumers but participants in a dynamic, immersive experience. It's a future where remote work is not just a necessity but a powerful tool for collaboration and innovation. As businesses continue to innovate and adapt, the application of VR will only become more widespread and transformative. The rise of virtual augmented reality is a testament to the rapid pace of technological advancement. Today, we've explored its current applications in business and peeked into the future, where VR's potential in transforming operations and creating new opportunities seems limitless. The future of business is exciting, and it's happening right before our eyes. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of business. Don't forget to subscribe to Capital Investments for more insightful content. Until next time, keep investing in knowledge.